Today you mentioned one should try to do everything to expand. Can you define expand a little more? Thank you. Expand is expanding. It's the nature of everything. The tree wants to expand, the flower wants to expand, the human wants to expand, and that will look different for everyone. The dog wants to expand. We just arrived here yesterday. We've been at my mum's, and Khaleesi has just been so excited about going out and seeing the village and sniffing all the places. Like, she just wanted to expand and put herself out there, like to be part of everything, to grow. And it's different for all animals, the way in which they expand. The way in which we can expand is energetically, emotionally, psychologically. Thoughts can expand. Our conditioning can expand.